Try proving you're human by counting traffic lights and motorcycles for Google's robots. Today we're talking about decentralized identity, or DID, the game-changing tech that could wipe out bots forever. After this video, you'll understand DID and integrate it in your app. So what's a decentralized identity anyway? Think about how you log in today. Google, Apple, Facebook, they control your identity online. Lose your account? Good luck getting it back. Want privacy? Well, too bad. A lot of people say they don't care if Facebook keeps their comments, page visits, location, other websites visits, or even purchases. Check your Facebook data expert. I bet you'll be surprised. Decentralized identity flips this around. Instead of relying on a single corporation to verify who you are, your identity belongs entirely to you. It's stored securely under your control, often on a blockchain or another decentralized network. No centralized databases means you control your identity. No single point of failure, goodbye data leaks. Easy login anywhere, without relying on giant corporations. But how does they prove you're human, privately, safely, and without bots flooding your service? This is where verifiable credentials come in. These are digital certificates issued by trusted parties, governments, banks, human verification platforms like BrightID or Proof of Humanity. They say, this DID belongs to a real person. We checked. You store that credential in your digital wallet and share it only when you need to. So when the app asks, are you a real human? You show the proof without leaking your full name, age, or shoe size. Wait, what if someone creates 100 fake DIDs to game the system? That's where the magic of trust and cryptography kicks in. Anyone can create a DID, but only verified issuers can give you a real human badge, usually after KYC, biometrics, or social verification. Your app can choose which issuers to trust, self-issued junk, ignore it. Example? Sure. Let's say I create a few DIDs, trying to be sneaky. I go to Verifier 1 and it asks for my passport. But instead of uploading it to some sketchy server, it just hashes the number locally and stores that hash to prevent duplicates. Next day, I show up again with a new DID, thinking I'll cheat the system. Same passport, same hash, I get rejected. One human, one verified identity, no matter how many DIDs you spin up. And the best part, advanced system even use zero-knowledge proofs, so I can prove I'm human or over 18 without revealing who I am. No identity leaks, no spam bots, just pure verifiable trust. So yeah, you control your identity, you prove you're human, and you finally get to exist online without begging some Web2 overlord for access. Alright, let's stop talking theory and actually write up a decentralized identity login in your app. No long tutorials, no PhDs required, just 4 quick steps and you're got your secure passwordless login like a boss. Head over to web3auth.io and create a free account. It's fast, no crypto wallet needed yet. And of course, if you're building something custom or extra private, you can always keep the hosted service and implement your own login server that issues and verifies the ID using open standards. But for now, let's keep it simple and use Web3 Auth to get going fast. You land in a nice-looking dashboard, click New Project, and now you're cooking. Choose your favorite chain, Ethereum, Polygon, or even Solana. Once done, copy your client ID. That's your key to the decentralized world. You'll use it in front-end. Step 2. Build the front-end. Time to get your hands dirty. Spin up a basic Astra app. Create Astra. Now add Web3 Auth and others. Step 3. Add the login button and logic. In your HTML, drop a simple login button. Now connect the backend logic using Web3 Auth and others.js. Just a few lines of JS to go from zero to decentralized magic. No passwords, no captchas, no please verify the 9 traffic lights. just a real working DID login running in your app. You got the DID login working and you're feeling pretty good, but then it hits you. Wait, what exactly do I want to trust? Not all verifiers are created equal. While some check your social graph, others scan your eyeball. Let's walk through a few real scenarios to figure out who fits where. Case 1. You are building a community app. You want people to sign up, maybe vote in polls, but no KYC. You just need to make sure each human shows up once. BrightID is perfect. Fast, social, no passport uploads. Bots gone. Case 2. You are building a DAO or a voting platform. You need strong proof each voter is real and the process should be transparent. Proof of humanity works well here. Open, democratic, and effective. Case 3. You are building something age-restricted or anonymous. Maybe a private forum, maybe a gated drop. Polygon ID lets people prove things like I'm over 18 without ever saying who they are. Case 4. You just want people in fast. You're building a game, a side project, or anything casual. Web3 House gives you a Google-style onboarding but decentralized. Perfect for mainstream users. Case 5. You need high security or uniqueness. You're working with sensitive actions or token distributions. WorldCoin might be your tool. Yes, the one with the eye scan. Controversial? Yes. Effective? Definitely. And that's how you choose. It is not one size fits all. It's trust design for your app. You pick the rules, the user picks what to share. Excited? Got ideas? Visit Duplex.com and let's build it together. And there you have it, decentralized identity, integrated in minutes. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, stay in tech.